Mi Watch Lite quietly goes official with built-in GPS and 9 days of battery life. Xiaomi kicked off its wearable journey with the Mi Watch earlier last year. It has since unveiled the Mi Watch Revolve with a circular dial in global markets, including India. If you're in the market for an even affordable smartwatch, then you would be happy to know that the Mi Watch Lite has quietly made its debut. Mi Watch Lite Specifications. The Mi Watch Lite, if you haven't already guessed, is a rebranded version of the Redmi watch that was recently unveiled in China. It looks similar in design to the original Mi Watch, but it features a 1.4-inch LCD touchscreen with a 320 by 320 pixel resolution and a peak brightness of 350 nits. It supports over 120 watch faces. It has only a single button on the right to go back or home. As you can see in the image below, Mi Watch Lite will be available to buy in 3 body colors: ivory, blue, and black. You will have corresponding bands to go with it, but you could choose from olive and cherry blossom as well. The watch weighs only 35 grams, which is great. The Mi Watch Lite supports 7 sport modes, including treadmill, outdoor cycling, open water swimming, freestyle, pool swimming, cricket, trekking, trail run, walking, and indoor cycling. The watch offers you 24-hour heart rate tracking, sleep monitoring, and breathing exercises as part of its health suite. There's even built-in GPS to enable you to accurately track your workout without having to carry around your smartphone. The smartwatch comes equipped with a 230 mAh battery that Xiaomi promises will last users up to 9 days on a single charge. It connects to Android 5.0 Plus and iOS 10.0 Plus devices over Bluetooth 5.0 and is also 50 ATM, 50 meters water resistant. Price and availability. The Mi Watch Lite went official in Thailand for 1,390 Thai baht, $Rs 3,400, and Rp. 899,000, Rs 4,700, in Indonesia earlier this week. We expect Xiaomi to bring this smartwatch to India to rival the Realm watch in the sub Rs 5,000 price segment.